This is the video introduction for experiment 26, build an Audible water detector circuit in the Mr. Circuit Basic Electronics Lab 1. This is a circuit that will detect water in an area. You can experiment with it in different situations. When water connects the two probes, the speaker will give out a warning tone. Can you think of some applications for a circuit like this? Maybe to protect a pool or a basement? The central component in the circuit is the 555 timer IC with probes across pins 6 and 2. Any sort of continuity will cause the 555 to put out pulses on pin 3. You can try it with plain water and with salt water. Here are the steps we suggest that you use to construct the circuit on a solderless circuit board. Step 1. Lay out all the 15 parts needed for the circuit. Step 2. Install these 5 components: the battery snap, the disk capacitor, the 555 timer IC, the NPN transistor, and the speaker. Step 3. Install the 4 resistors: the 10 ohm, the 220 ohm, the 1K ohm, and the 120K ohm. Step 4. Install the 5 jumper wires and the 2 test probes. With the jumper wires and test probes installed, the circuit is complete. Recheck all the wiring, comparing it to the pictorial diagram to be sure that everything is correct. Then touch the battery to the snap. Nothing should happen until the test probes are in water. Then the speaker will put out a warning tone. Now I am going to demonstrate the Audible water detector circuit in action. Here is experiment number 26, the Audible water detector, all wired up and ready to go. You have your speaker, your NPN transistor, 555 timer, the 0.01 capacitor, the jumper wires, 4 resistors, your battery, and our test probes, and a little bit of water. So let's try it out. The battery's all hooked up. If we put the probes in the water, it makes noise every time. So this is a really good little Audible water detector. Get your parts, put it together, and see if you can make it work like I did.